Time is running out, no need to take it slow. I'm stepping to you toe to toe. I should be scared, honey, maybe so, but